In this video, I'm going to give you the quick comparison between the Fujifilm and Hasselblad and what are the main differences. So the sensor is better for Fujifilm, but not much. You can have only like 2 megabits here. Then it got ICO range is 100 to 12,800, comparing to 64 to 25,600. So it really depends like which one you prefer. Then screen is better for Hasselblad. Then also electronic viewfinder same. The continuous shooting speed is better for Fujifilm. You can have 7 FPS there comparing to 3.3. Then video resolution is better here, and Fujifilm got also better weight and dimension. Now when we can look here on some important things, so Fujifilm is better in phase detection focus, sensor resolution, number of focus points, electric shutter, continuous shooting, battery life even, and pretty much like lot here, weight, time-lapse recording, max video resolution, flash sync port, Bluetooth, storage port, IC stop effectivity, and webcam function. And the Hasselblad is better in internet storage, viewfinder, max ICO, LCD screen size, and CF Express card support. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.